Hello guys. So in this session we are going to learn here how to install Docker and Amazon is here deploying images from EC2 instance. Okay. So here in this session we are going to learn about containerization and image management. So is the one of the most important topic, right? And here we are going to explore the Docker, how Docker integrates with Amazon ECR. So ECR means Elastic Container Registry, right? To manage, store, and deploy container images from an from an EC2 instance. That our instance is Ubuntu. Okay. That means in this session we are going to learn how Docker integrates with Amazon ECR to manage, store, and deploy container images from an EC2 instance. That's the Ubuntu instance. Okay. So let's start. So first of all, let's understand what is Docker. So as you know, what is Docker? So Docker is an open source platform that you build, package, and run application inside, right? And containers and lightweight portable environment that include everything needed to run your application. Container eliminate that it works on any machine, my machine. Okay, then some advantages of Docker is consistency across environment, faster deployment and easy scaling, isolation of application and dependencies, and easy version control and rollback. Okay, so that's the some features about Docker. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, so the first step is let's setting up Docker on an EC2 instance. So our instance is Ubuntu. As you can see here, I have successfully launched my instance and successfully connected to my terminal. Okay, so first of all, we need AWS account. So this is my AWS account also, right? Okay, so let's install Docker first. So as you know, firstly we need to update the system packages. Okay. Then after that, the next step is let's install Docker. Then after that, let's start Docker using the following commands: sudo systemctl start Docker, and let's enable also. Okay, it's done. We have successfully installed Docker. So let's verify the installation by running the sudo docker run hello world command. As you can see, it's done. Hello from Docker. That means we have successfully installed Docker. Otherwise, you can check the version of Docker by running docker hyphen version. Okay, it's okay. Now it's time to give permissions to our Docker. So give some permissions to the Dockers. So let's run this three permissions to our Docker. User mode. Then let's create a new group for Docker. And if you want, and check the groups. Okay, it's done. It's done. We have successfully give some permissions to our Docker. Now let's check Docker images. In this image, there is a one image, hello world. The tag is latest. The size is 10.1 KB. Okay. Then check Docker PS. Okay. That means we have successfully installed Docker and we have successfully give some permissions to our Docker. Okay. Okay, it's done. Now let's move to the next step. Now the next step is Amazon ECR. That means Elastic Container Registry. So first of all, let's understand what is ECR. So Amazon ECR is a fully managed Docker container registry that allows you to store, manage, and deploy container image securely. Okay, and it's similar to Docker Hub, but hosted with an AWS. Okay, integrated with ECS, EKS, and EC2. So why we are using ECR, Amazon Container, sorry, Elastic Container Registry? Because it's private and secure storage for container images. It is highly availability and scalability, IAM based access control, and a fast integration with AWS services like ECS. That's why we are going to use ECR. Okay, so here let's create a ECR repository. So for that, first of all, let's go to the ECR in AWS. Simply search ECR, that Elastic Container Registry, and here simply click on create. That's the public repository. We are going to create a private repositories. So go to the private repository. As of now, there is no any repository. You can see here. Let's go to the private repository and create a repository. Okay. So here you can see. Let's go to the private and click on create repository and enter a repository name. So here I'm going to enter repository name my repo and keep as it is. Okay, and click on create. So as you can see, successfully created my repo, that my repository. Okay. Okay. So we have successfully created ECR repository. Let's go to the created instance and connect to it. Okay. Here, this is our instance. We are successfully connected to our instance. Okay. Then after that, let's create an Python environment. So for that, first of all, we need to install Python. So first of all, let's update the system packages. And then let's install Python. Okay, it's done. So we have successfully installed Python also. Okay, now let's turn to this command. Okay, then let's run this source command to activate. Now we are in my environment, you can see here. Okay, okay. Now after that, let's install AWS. We need to install AWS, and as well as we need a AWS access key ID as well as secret access key ID. Okay, so first of all, let's install AWS. Run AWS. You can see the AWS version. That means we have successfully installed AWS. Now it's time to AWS configure. So before AWS configure, we need a AWS access key ID as well as secret access key ID, right? So I'm going to open my file, access keys file. Okay. So let's run this AWS configure. Now it will ask AWS access key ID. So here is my access key ID. Secret access key ID. Region EP South -1. If you don't know how to check region, so you can see the region Asia Pacific EP South -1. Output format, I'm going to skip this. Okay, it's done. We have successfully configured our AWS. Okay. Okay. Now the next is let's view push command on ECR. Okay, so let's view. So first of all, let's run this command. And here, let's enter your details. So first of all, enter your account ID here. AWS account ID. So how to check your account ID? In right side, you can see your account ID. Paste here. After that, here you need to enter your region also. Okay, now let's click enter. Sorry, right. That full command is like that. Okay, there is a half command. Okay, right. Okay, as you can see, AWS ECR get login password region, login username, AWS password, and this is your account ID. And here you need to enter region also. As you can see, login succeed. That means you are successfully logged into our, you can see, ECR. Okay, okay. Now the next is Docker images. Okay, so let's check Docker images. As you can see, this is our Docker image, right? Okay. Now, after that, let's tag your local Docker image. So let's tag it. So as you know, here in this region, enter your region, AP South hyphen one, and in account ID, enter your account ID and enter. Okay. Now let's check for once Docker images. You can see in these Docker images, you can see repository. This is my AWS account ID, ECR AP South 1 Amazon.com, and my repo is my repo, right? And the tag is latest, and this is my image ID. Okay. And okay, and size also. Okay. Then after that, let's push this image into ECR. So first of all, let's check. This is my ECR repo, private repo. Okay, I'm going to inside it, and as you can see, there is a no image as of now. Now we are going to push this image into our ECR repository. So how to push? So there is a command. So first of all, enter your region. Then enter your account ID. As you can see, it's pushed. Size is 5 to 4. Okay, so let's check. Go to the ECR. As you can see, the image, the tag is latest, artifact type, pushed at, image URI, and so on the details. Okay, that means you have successfully pushed this image into our ECR, that Docker image, right? Okay, then after that, now let's push another image, right? If you want, then let's push another image. So here the another image name is Redis. That means similarly, I also push this Redis image to ECR. So let's push. So enter the command docker Redis. And if I run the Docker images, as you can see, the new image, right? Okay. And now let's tag this image. Same, enter region name, your account ID. And after that, let's push to this ECR. So first of all, let's check ECR. There is only one image as of now. Let's push another image, region name, and account ID. As you can see, it's pushing. Okay, it's done. So let's go to the ECR and refresh the page. So now as you can see, there is another image with the tag is Redis artifact type, post tag timing and details. Size is 53.36 MB, image URI, and so on the details. Okay, so it's done, right? So in this session, we have learned how to push Docker images on Amazon ECR. Okay, that means Docker and Amazon ECR deploying images from EC2 instance, that means Ubuntu instance. So it's done. So thank you for watching and I hope you understand.